For more than 3 decades, Cadence has been the industry leader in computational software. A few years ago, we expanded our core competency in EDA to SDA, system design and analysis. We have developed a strong portfolio of exciting products at the intersection of electrical and mechanical disciplines. Today, we're accelerating the next chapter of computational fluid dynamics, CFD, with the introduction of the Millennium M1 CFD supercomputing solution, a complete, integrated hardware and software solution for multi-physics applications. For years, CFD simulation have been used to not only shorten design cycles, but also to gain valuable insights to either aid or replace physical experiments. However, accuracy, speed, and the computing resource limitation have impeded further utilization of CFD simulations in the past. With the advent of powerful AI technologies, those challenges are now more important than ever, as traditional CFD simulations are too inefficient to generate large datasets to train AI models. To usher in the next generation of CFD computing, we are very excited to introduce Millennium M1, the industry's first turnkey CFD supercomputing solution. The Millennium M1 combines Cadence Fidelity CFD solvers and the latest generation high-performance GPUs to provide our customers the best CFD simulation throughput. The Cadence Fidelity GPU resident CFD solver provides unmatched accuracy with different fidelity modes, including RANS, DES, and LES, to address various CFD simulation challenges. Millennium M1 leverages the latest generation high-performance GPUs to significantly accelerate CFD simulation turnaround time, delivering an incredible more than 10x simulation performance improvement. Millennium M1 provides the CFD industry's first enterprise-level hardware-software combo solution to simplify the deployment process for our customers. We provide a highly secure Millennium M1 cloud solution as well as an on-prem solution to address the different needs from different customers. Millennium M1 accurately predicts complex problems for CFD, flow separation, transition, turbulent mixing, and aeroacoustics noise, and so on, while providing the fastest time to results and the best price performance by leveraging a mixture of detailed large eddy simulation with high throughput RANS simulations. Millennium M1 extends the practical application of CFD to pacing challenges in aerospace and defense, automotive, and turbomachinery. These are made possible by Millennium's unique hardware acceleration enabled by the latest generation of high-performance GPUs. At equivalent throughput, Millennium M1 delivers incredible 10x improvement in computing cost, and even more impressively 20x in reduced energy consumption compared to traditional HPC. Runtimes for large-size simulations are reduced from days to hours. And more importantly, with this enhanced throughput, it's now possible to automate the generation of large databases of high-fidelity simulations. AI models from the simulation data can be efficiently trained on the same Millennium M1 hardware that the datasets were generated. And the same M1 hardware can be used to inference those models to replace some of the future simulations. So one Millennium M1 hardware can help our customers significantly accelerate CFD simulations to generate large dataset, train AI models on top of the generated dataset, and inference the AI model to further improve productivity. Today's leading engineering organizations need a partner with expertise on computational software, innovative hardware, and AI technologies. Cadence is uniquely positioned to be an agile partner to deliver next-generation solutions. This is just the beginning. the Millennium M1 hardware acceleration platform will continue to evolve to offer more of Cadence multi-physics simulation portfolio. Join us on this journey to transform digital engineering. Thank you.